The heart-healthy cereal your doctor recommended. It's damaging your brain. Every morning, millions of seniors wake up, shuffle to the kitchen, and do something they genuinely believe is keeping their brain sharp. They pour a bowl of cereal. They slice a banana over some yogurt. They brew a glass of orange juice. And they sit down feeling virtuous, responsible, even proud. But here's the uncomfortable truth that most doctors aren't telling you at your annual checkup. 3 of the most popular healthy breakfast foods are quietly accelerating the exact brain changes linked to Alzheimer's disease. Not because you're doing anything wrong, because the nutrition advice from the 1980s never got updated, and your brain is paying the price. Let's talk about what's actually happening. Number 1, fruit juice. Orange juice, apple juice, cranberry juice, breakfast staples for decades. But strip away the fiber from fruit, concentrate the sugar, and you've got a glass that spikes your blood glucose faster than a candy bar. Why does this matter for your brain? Because chronically high blood sugar damages the small blood vessels that feed your neurons. Researchers at the National Institute on Aging have actually nicknamed Alzheimer's type 3 diabetes. Your morning juice habit isn't refreshing your brain, it's slowly starving it. Number 2, whole grain cereal and granola. The box says heart healthy. The box says high fiber. The box has a smiling silver-haired couple on the front, which honestly should have been your first warning sign. Most commercial cereals and granolas are loaded with refined carbohydrates and hidden sugars that cause the same dangerous glucose spikes. Even the low-sugar varieties often contain ingredients that convert rapidly into sugar in your bloodstream. Your insulin surges, inflammation follows, and neuroinflammation is one of the key drivers of cognitive decline. Number 3, low-fat flavored yogurt. This one hurts because yogurt can be incredible for brain health, but not the kind most people are eating. Low-fat yogurt loses its satiating healthy fats, so manufacturers compensate by dumping in sugar, artificial sweeteners, and flavorings. You end up with something closer to dessert than medicine. The gut-brain connection is real and powerful. Trillions of bacteria in your gut directly communicate with your brain. Feeding them sugar and artificial additives is like sending your brain toxic text messages all morning. So what should you actually eat? Eggs with avocado, wild salmon, full-fat plain Greek yogurt with walnuts and blueberries, foods that stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and flood your brain with the healthy fats it desperately needs. And now, because I genuinely want your brain firing on all cylinders, let me tell you about something worth adding to your morning routine alongside that better breakfast. Here's where it gets interesting. Your brain needs omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA. It literally makes up a massive portion of your brain's structure, and most seniors are chronically deficient. You could eat salmon every single morning, which honestly sounds amazing, but probably won't happen before your coffee is even ready. This is why I recommend picking up a high-quality fish oil supplement, specifically one with a high DHA concentration, like Nordic Naturals Ultimate Omega or Viva Naturals Triple Strength Omega-3. Both are available on Amazon. Link is right there in the description below. These are the real deal, third-party tested, molecularly distilled, no fishy burps, because nobody has time for fishy burps at 7 in the morning. That's a hill I will die on. DHA has been studied extensively for its role in reducing neuroinflammation, supporting memory formation, and protecting the very neurons that Alzheimer's attacks first. It's not magic, it's not a cure, but combined with a smarter breakfast, it's one of the most evidence-backed changes you can make right now, today, before noon. Your morning routine is either building your brain or breaking it down. The food industry convinced an entire generation that juice was healthy, that low-fat was virtuous, and that cereal was medicine. It wasn't true then. It's not true now. And your brain, brilliant, resilient, and worth fighting for, deserves better than what's been on that breakfast table. Start tomorrow. Start smarter. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.